Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to show you how you can actually see the RAM availability in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is the most requested question on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Well, few of the users did ask me how to see the RAM availability, how much is used and how much is free RAM available. Because in the other UIs, we do have this kind of functionality in the multitasking where you can actually see how much RAM is available and out of how much GB as well. That is a clear explanation other UIs they'll try to give. But in the OnePlus UI, you cannot see any kind of information regarding the RAM on the multitasking, as you can see friends clearly. So right now I'll try to demonstrate what is the easiest way to see what is the RAM usage and availability in the OnePlus phones. So first let's go to the settings option. Once you're in the settings option, so now you need to go to the additional settings, and once you're in the additional settings, try to go to the developer options. So in the developer options, you can actually find the option which is called the memory, as you can see friends. So once you click on the memory, now you will be able to see what is the RAM usage. So out of total RAM is 8 GB available, as you can see. Average used 63 GB. Free RAM is 2.191 GB. As you can see, these are the details which you can actually see clearly if you try to go to the developer options. First, you need to enable the developer options. So by going into the about phone option, as you can see, first go to the about phone and try to go to the version, and now try to click on this build number. So you need to click on the build number. So once you click the build number, now the developer options will be enabled, as you can see. So in this way, you'll be able to see the free RAM availability and how much is the RAM usage, clearly A to Z details in this memory option which is present, as you can see friends. So this is a simple method to see in the OnePlus Nord device in case if you want to see the RAM usage and availability. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you want to see individual memory usage by each app, you can actually click this and you can check the details as well. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, bye.